is Michael, and I have helium disease. Helium disease makes me talk really high and fast and scream out of nowhere, and sometimes jump up and down and have spasms. But I took my medicine, so I shouldn't today. But the medicine doesn't help the scream. So basically, I can't go to school because I'll start screaming out of nowhere, and I get in trouble. So basically, I sit here in my room and I watch television. Television. I got helium disease because my mom, when I was in her stomach, she used to drink helium. I don't know why. I listen to all types of music. My favorite type of music is Sesame Street because that's all I'm allowed to listen to. I love that Elmo. I have brothers and sisters, but I am not allowed to go upstairs because I actually, last night I went upstairs and I'm not allowed to do that because I'm not allowed to go upstairs. Okay, well, I gotta go. Bye!
This time for real, tired of playing it safe. Inside, I feel I've got what it takes to prove to the world who I really can be. I know for sure there's no stopping.